Hi lovelies, welcome back once again to Phoebe's Kitchen, and I believe you are all doing great. Today, as you all can see, we are making okra stew, and I'm sure you love it. The recipe is amazing. It's so quick to put together, but the result is super amazing. So stay tuned and let me introduce you to all my amazing ingredients. I've got smoked turkey, cow foot, I've got cured beef or tolo beef, I've got tripe, and I've got hagfish, I've got mackerel. Yeah, that's for the protein. And next, I've got ginger, garlic, red onion, spinach. I've got white onion. I've got tomatoes, garden eggs, green bell pepper. I've got okra, scotch bonnet pepper. And with the herbs, I've got thyme and basil. Okay, you can use any herbs of your choice. Lovely. And behind there, behind the vegetables, I've got my mushrooms. I'm going to wash all of the vegetables, cut them into pieces, and I'll add them to our protein, which I'm adding to the saucepan right away because they've been washed and cleaned already. To it, I'm adding my ginger and garlic paste. To the fish, I'm adding my herbs and natural seasonings. I will then rub it in like this, and I will allow it to marinate for about 10 minutes before adding it to our saucepan or to the meat in the saucepan. Okay, now to it, I'm adding my natural seasonings, shrimp tablet, and salt to taste. After that, I'm stirring until everything is well incorporated. 3 minutes later, I'm adding my white onion, spring onion, okay, and my scotch bonnet pepper, and also my green bell pepper. And then lastly, I'm adding my fresh chopped tomatoes, which is just 2 small sizes of fresh tomatoes, okay? And now my herbs, which is my basil and thyme. Again, you stir until everything is well incorporated. This smells so good already, and as you can tell, this is very healthy. 2 minutes later, I'm adding a little bit of water to create the broth. Okay, so stir until everything is well combined. We are still at the steaming stage, so I'm going ahead to add my mushrooms, which I've washed nicely. Again, give it a gentle stir and now cover it up for it to steam for about 2 more minutes. After 2 minutes, I'm going ahead to add my marinated fish, just like so. Again, I'll cover it up for the fish to also absorb all the flavors of the aromatics. Okay, so 3 minutes later, I'm back and I'm going to remove all the fish. Okay, because I don't want it to break apart because the cow foot is still hard. And yeah, so let's bring the fish out and let the cow foot continue to steam until it's completely tender. Yeah. I'm proceeding to add more mushrooms, okay? So again, I'll stir to mix everything together until well combined. And after that, I'll just cover it up for it to steam properly whilst I focus on my okra. Now add your okra to the saucepan, add your chopped garden eggs and your chopped onions. Add water and then add your baking soda. Next, I'm stirring to incorporate the baking soda. And next, I'm also adding my spinach, baby spinach, okay? You can chop them up if you like, but I prefer them this way today, okay? Again, continue to stir until everything is well incorporated. So far, so good. I love the sliminess of the okra and it's almost ready. At this stage, I'll just lower the heat so that the okra do not boil over and then continue to cook to perfection, okay? While I focus on my sea base. So I'm back and so far, lovelies, this is amazing. I'm adding my palm oil, okay? This palm oil is yummy, so you can add it at any point when making your okra stew because it's already flavorful, okay? So lovelies, now the cow foot is also tender, so I'll go ahead and add my steamed fish again for it to still absorb the flavors of the palm oil and the aromatics of the stew base. So I'm back to turn the fish over, okay? Because one side is already done absorbing the flavors of the stew base. So let the other side also do the same, okay? This is amazing. I love this recipe, lovelies. Please don't forget to give your girl a big thumbs up and don't forget to also share and comment, okay? So 3 minutes later, I am back to remove the fish from the stew base. Lovelies, if it's your first time stumbling on this channel, hey, you are warmly welcome. And please do me a favor by subscribing to this channel to enjoy more of my recipes. Don't forget to also click on the bell button to receive updates from me whenever I upload new videos. Okay? At this point, everything is so perfect. So I'm going ahead to add my okra. Look how slimy and beautiful this okra is. Beautiful. Everything is so on point. Salt is checked. I love the flavor and I love the aroma. Oh boy. Mamma mia. This is a must try recipe. Lovelies, don't just watch the video, okay? But rather give it a try and thank your girl later. I'm going ahead to add my final spinach. If you like, chop them up and you'll be good to go. Lovelies, we are at the final stage of our okra stew, and this is so super yummy. Please give this a try, and don't forget to also bring me the feedback if you do by commenting down below my Facebook and YouTube videos, or tag me on Instagram, and your girl will always appreciate it. This okra stew is so perfect when it comes to the salt content, when it comes to flavor, and the aroma is so on point. So now I'm adding my fish, and the reason why you should add your fish in the end is to prevent it from breaking apart. Now push the fish into the okra stew, or better still, cover the fish with the okra stew for them to absorb the flavors completely, okay? At this stage, you want to lower the heat for all the bubbles on the okra stew to die down, okay? And finally, I'll add my crunch, which is red onion. You can use the white onion, or you can even up this part out and you'll be fine. Again, you start to mix everything together. At this point, lovelies, my stew is completely ready. So I've turned off the heat. This way, the stew will not further cook for my crunch to be soft. Now, lovelies, check this out. This is so amazing. We are all done making our okra stew, and I paired it with my healthy spinach fufu or spinach swallow. You will love the recipe. It's coming very soon on the channel, so stay and stay and be inspired. Thank you all for watching to this point. I'm really grateful, and I wish you a Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. Take care. Bye, you all.
Hello, lovelies. Can you subscribe to my mom's channel and help her get to 20K subscribers? Thank you.